Hello everyone, welcome back. Sorry for uploading this video a little late as I wanted to upload it around the Teachers Day. So with Teachers Day around the corner, I would like to wish all my teachers a very happy Teachers Day and would like to thank them for their support and for sharing their knowledge with me. Mothers are the best teachers of a child. It's a very well said statement and I truly agree with that mothers are one of the best teachers a child can have and is the first teacher of a child. Mothers, as I talked about, they are the blessed souls. They can do anything. And while acknowledging the effort of the mothers, which we're doing for years, and we rather should, we are kind of ignoring the effort, the contribution of a fathers. We never talk about that. There are millions of videos on mothers, their feelings, and their upbringing, their thoughts, everything, and there should be. I don't criticize that, but I somewhere feel that the highlight that the father, or the acknowledgement that the father should receive, has been missed out for so many years. A father takes equal pain and equal effort in upbringing and nurturing of a child. He also puts all his heart and soul for the upbringing and the betterment of his or her, for his child. And we kind of don't acknowledge that, or even if we do it once or twice a year on the Father's Day and or on his birthday. That's all we kind of contribute to the thing. But here I want to say that the father is also one of the first and the best teacher that the child has. A father teaches us so many things we can't even name it. A father teaches you and supports you in so many things which we need to acknowledge. It's time that the fathers should also receive their acknowledgement, their share of acknowledgement. If a mother has have got sleepless nights while upbringing a child, so has the father. Even the father has has not slept for many days for the upbringing of the child. He has also taken so much of effort, so much of tension. We need to acknowledge that, and he also is the best teacher. Now here I would like to also mention that anybody can be your teacher. Like it's not necessary that जो स्कूल में पढ़ाते हैं या कॉलेज में पढ़ाते हैं वही आपके टीचर्स हैं. No, even if your child or any person is teaching you one lesson means कोई एक चीज़ सिखा रहे हैं जिससे आपकी लाइफ में बदलाव आया है, जिससे आपका कुछ देखने का पर्सपेक्टिव चेंज हुआ है, या इट हैज़ इम्पैक्टेड योर लाइफ, योर थिंकिंग डायरेक्टली और इनडायरेक्टली इन सम और द अदर वे, दैट पर्सन विल बी योर टीचर and that will be your teaching. Here I would just like to say that please acknowledge and appreciate that person, that teaching which has been given to you. I don't say do something very lavish or something extra for that. Just acknowledge that. जब भी आपको realize हो, maybe बहुत बार ऐसा होता है at that moment you're not able to realize कि what has helped you or what those lines meant for you, but today you realize it and you know that. So जब भी हो, please acknowledge that and please appreciate that. It matters a lot. आप किसी से भी कुछ भी सीख सकते हो. सीखने की कोई उम्र नहीं होती और सिखाने वाले की भी कोई उम्र नहीं होती. सेम वे कोई भी सिखा सकता है और कोई भी सीख सकता है, लेकिन उसको acknowledge करना बहुत ज़रूरी है. And yes, for all the modern students out there, please respect your teachers. I know this is very monotonous. आप हर जगह सुनते होंगे, but I am telling you from my personal belief, because I have been on both sides of the tables. Both sides of the tables mean that some years back I was a student sitting on that side of a table and we used to be wondering, अरे यार ये 45 minutes कब ख़त्म होंगे, and ये मैम जाए. And on this side of the table life is like, so मेरा ये पॉइंट, ये टॉपिक 5 मिनट में ख़त्म हो जाएगा, आई हैंड ओवर द क्लास टू यू. सो आई हैव एक्सपीरियंस्ड बोथ साइड ऑफ द टेबल्स नाउ एंड आई कैन ट्रूली से दैट प्लीज़ रिस्पेक्ट योर टीचर्स. वो पढ़ चुके हैं, अब आपकी बारी है. दे आर शेयरिंग योर नॉलेज विद यू, तो उसका फ़ायदा उठाइए. इफ़ दे आर एक्सप्लेनिंग यू समथिंग एंड आस्किंग यू टू आस्क देम क्वेरी. आज मे बी आपको ये चीज़ें समझ में नहीं आएंगी, शायद हमें भी उस टाइम पे कम आती थी, लेकिन आज समझ में आती हैं कि हाँ ये चीज़ें कितनी इम्पॉर्टेंट हैं. सो रिस्पेक्ट देम, अप्रिशिएट देयर एफर्ट एंड ट्राई टू टेक आउट, try to take as much possible, as much you can from the knowledge, from the effort of your teachers. So with this I would like to wrap up this video and tell you all that please you can wish anybody a very happy Teachers Day. It's not only for your school teachers or college teachers. As I told you, a teacher can be anybody. Thank you so much.